Hello friends, now by me go through lo Excel beginner tutorial lo site no sa lo Excel or start lo using Excel this lab lo so start blame you go click in this la Excel icon lo here lo computer blue you double click him. Time him come up now you could double click him again. This la cells 1 cells also call him. Can you see this la also call him A1 cell. This la A2 cell. This la A3 cell can you see. Now one can you see low B. This la also call him B1. This la B2 can you see. Come low N by 1 kind. Now range all minimum. Can you see because me like that lo A1 can finish lo 7. This la all circle range start lo A1 go finish lo A7. Now by me go through lo some plus steps lo by plus hour. First plus step by me go through some you looking any space no got something stop lem you gonna you right click can you see me this la space nothing so by me go right click by me come down lo customize the ribbon. So by me click him lo this la. Now this la come up you got all kind by me go through lo here but what me like you me lo go through you me come down lo by me looking way all to developer now you me check him this la. Now you me click him okay. Time me click him and by looking develop him start finish. By me go through lo developer close to time but now this la important so you me go through lo this la. Anytime you like make him one plat text or this la kind or you didn't low adjust him column low can you see example me write him column A1 by me write him name, column A2 by me write him name, sorry A2 B1, C1 by me write him can you see date of birth. Now look him overlap or come out click so in order to adjust him this la now by just go click him on top that's all. This la see by highlight him kita. Now you go now you look at this la sign change go this la kind plus sign you just drag him come now and you adjust him column blame one plus step not apply way kind of same you like by step now you like sim this la better come down by just go now click him low up. Now you come go on top low where him to rep text here. Time you click him now date of birth come up also. Okay low up that's all you can change him kind of same name. Now you play look him all stop low down below so you can just go low corner straight low number 1 stop name you can click him and by highlight him you can change him go on top or same so name him can go on top now you can make him go bold. You got all shortcut stop kind of same you like write him hello world. Now you like him kind of same hello by stop low up well by come down low down low you can double click him to this la cell also call him K4. Okay now you type him hello. Now you like him world and by come low down low you just go shortcut blame and you just press him this la button I'll press him this la. Now you go low enter button you click him now him come down so now you can write him world. You like highlight him or get this la sheet here you just go low corner blame low up you time you click him this la arrow click arrow time you click him now and highlight him all get that. So now you can change him color blame can you see this la you can change him color any color you like him low me can you see me like change him come low here and we can change him and we change him color or you like him and by go begin low default. Now you go low no fill sorry me highlight him again by me go low no fill now come up also. Now you like him kind of same one plow with kind of same you may PNG you like make him number occupy him this la 2 plus space left click low here left click all him now you drag him also and by highlight him now you go low merge click him now and occupy him 2 plus space can you adjust him and by go low normal you can make him go big plow change him font size by go on top low on him you like him kind of same this la. Now you like make him borders below this la you can just click him low here come down or one table you like make him one time this la you click him you come go low this la icon click icon low up or top bottom border you can click low this la drop down arrow and by come up now you can click low here. So now when you look him table come or you think low change him table color blame or can say border line low here you can just highlight him again go on top come down low em talk line color. Now you can change him color blame line color, or you can line style em different style by kisim, but line color blame ya suppose you like him bagulu can say red, you click low up, you can now you go begin you click out past them, you highlight them again, go begin low border ya, you come low up all borders em color em go low red ya. Or you like sim all get this la cell line or same, you can go to view, you come go to grid lines, browse this la tick, so you look all get border same browse, got all kind by me go through, but this la first step all nada pla by me go through, by me start one time all this la come by me shower all get this la all group step inside one mpps below and by me kan say me plug and look him corner, me got camera na me got pixels, this last pixels, suppose you got problem to read, you can this last pixels and by help me, but this like first tutorial you me go through lo beginners tutorial na em got plenty by me go through lo power query mashup language by me look him now, by me also look him kind of same data, by me look him data validation, how by you consolidating data, all this la by me go through how lo by sim new plug query come, or by sim data from websites, or get something by me go through, but me like me lo go step by step, so by plug clear good. So now look at me browse him this la all borders, so suppose me like him all borders come begin, by me go lo view again, na go check him this la grid line him talk now. Time me check him or get something can begin default. One time this la by me stop lo here next tutorial by me suruk him go same all sample skills way by me need lo line him lo help me lo boost him Excel skills blue me. One time this la thank you lo you watching video tutorials blue me. Suppose you not subscribe, please do subscribe so that me by continue lo making kind of videos lo help me.